Okay, so now we're going to look at worksheet 12.4. Okay. Take the numbers for number 1, and we're going to find the minimum, the maximum, the first quartile, all the things we found. Okay, so number 1 on 12.4, it gives us some numbers. This is the worksheet, worksheet 12.4. This is a help video. Number 1 has these numbers: 99, 88, 77, 85, 62, 93, 71. So if you're asked to find these 5 things, you can do it by hand. Okay? You would have to first put these in order. If I put these in order, the lowest value is 71, 62, then 71, then 77, then 85, 88, 93, 99. Okay? If I'm asked to find these different values, it's not too bad. The minimum is 62. The maximum is 99. The directions on number 1 say find the minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum. So it's just asking you to find these 5 numbers. These 5 numbers here, just these 5, get rid of these 2. We're not going to find these 2 on this part. They're called the 5-number summary. They summarize the numbers. What is the middle number? 85. That's what we call the median. That would be the middle. Now the middle, we don't count that in either half, just to be clear, in case we didn't get that from the last video. It's not in either half. So now we look at this lower half, and we find the middle there, and that would be 71. That one's called Q1. We look at this upper half, and that one's 93. It's called Q3. Oh, number 2. Number 2 on the worksheet, 12-4, has some numbers. I'm going to try to take them and put them in order as we go, so help me out. I think 19 is the lowest. Then 22, 24, 27, 28, 32, 35. Up here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, do I have 9 numbers? Did I miss one? I missed something. 19, 22, 25, 27, 28. There's a 33. Right? Okay. So the lowest is 19. That's called the minimum. The highest is 35. That is called the maximum. The median is the middle number. You may have to count. You can underline one of the numbers, but remember, first, you have to put them in order. What I find the median to be is 27. Now the median's in the middle, so it's kind of like the middle of the road. That median is not in either half now, so now you have to look at this half of the data and this half of the data to find the middle of those, the lower half. The lower half, as I go in here, falls between these two, 22 and 24. Now, hopefully you can think of what numbers between 22 and 24, but in case you can't, we'll do it this way. You can always add the two numbers and then divide by 2. Okay? So, 23 is what we call Q1. Up here, there's also 4 numbers, so it's going to fall between 2 numbers here, 32 and 33. What would be right in between those? Yep, 32 and a half. Yeah, right in between the 2. Okay, so how can I check it? How can I look at a graph? Again, just to practice this with your calculator. So I know we only did it twice, so it's good to practice it one more time. You can do a new document. You do not want to save. You're going to add a list and spreadsheet page. Call this X. Call it something. Type in all the numbers. Then add the data and statistics page. A couple ways to add it. Again, you can go Control Doc and add that page, but then put X on there. Now go Menu. Number 1, it's the plot type. What type of plot? What type of graph? That's what a plot is. And we want a box plot, otherwise known as a box and whisker plot. And now you can hover over these to check your answers. 19, 23, 27. Is that what we had? 19, 23, 27. Do we have 32 and a half and 35? 32 and a half and 35. We got them correct. Press Menu, number 1 for plot type, and then choose the box plot. Okay? Okay, so now, I don't know, you think we got it?